Hello children, in the previous video, I have started explaining you lesson number 8 of English 2, that is Birbal and the cooking pot. So, take out page number 64 and we will continue with the explanation of this lesson. We will start from scene 3. It is night and the washerman is standing in the middle of the river. The reflection of lights from the palace can be seen in the water. Some people come and look at him, shake their heads and go away. Some people say, now, in this scene, what is happening? It was a night time and now the washerman was standing in the middle of the river in that cold river water. And the reflection of the lights, reflection means the images of the lights from the palace. As this river was flowing just near to that palace, like you can see in this picture, this river was flowing just near to that palace and the lights from this palace were being reflected in the river water. Like you can see, these are the lights and these lights can be shown, the reflection of the lights can be seen in the river water. So now the people who were passing through that way, they were looking at that washerman, they were just shaking their heads. Why? They were thinking that this man will definitely die. He's not going to survive by next morning. One man, poor man, he will die before the night is out. Now one man who was passing through that way, he told, poor man, he will definitely die. He is not going to survive till the next morning. Second man, a foolish thing to do. Well, let us pray for him. Then the second man who was passing through that way again told that this washerman is just a foolish person. He doesn't know, he doesn't have any sense that by standing for the whole night in such cold water, he is going to die and he is doing it such a foolish thing. Even then he told, let us pray for him that he should survive. Let's move on to scene number 4 on page number 65. The next morning, the washerman, alive and well, walks out of the river. Now, the next morning, what happened? The washerman, he was still alive and he was perfectly okay. He walks out of the river. People shouting and clapping with joy. Thank God he is alive. Lucky man to get the reward. Then the people who saw that washerman was still alive after standing in that cold river water for the whole night, they started shouting with joy and they also clapped for the poor washerman and they thank God he is alive and he is the lucky one who will get the grand prize from the king Akbar. Wife greets her husband with relief. Now when washerman's wife saw her husband alive, she had a sigh of relief. She was very happy to see her husband back alive. Oh, I was so worried about you. And then she told her husband, oh, I was so worried that whether you will be alive or not. Child, father, you are so brave. Will the emperor reward you now? Then this washerman's son, this child told his father, father, you are so brave, you are so courageous. And then he asked his father that will the king give you the prize now for standing in that cold water for one whole night? Washerman, yes, of course. Didn't I pass the test? Then washerman told his child, yes, of course, the king will give me the prize. I have already passed the test which the king has told. Now in scene 5, at the court, Emperor Akbar is seated on his throne and Birbal is near him. The courtiers and the guards are in place. The washerman enters with his family and bows before Akbar. Now, at the court, Akbar is sitting on his throne. Throne, children, is a special chair where a king or queen sits. So, Akbar was sitting on the throne and Birbal was also standing near him. And the courtiers are the people who attend the court to advise a king or queen. These are the people who attend the court to give some advice on any matter to the king or queen. And the guards were also standing in their place. And at that time, the washerman enters the court along with his family and bows before Akbar. Bows means he bows his head. He puts his head down to show respect to Akbar. Akbar, we are happy with you. We are very happy with you, young man. You have proved your strength. Come, take your reward. Then at that time Akbar told the washerman that I am very happy with you, young man, and you have proved that you are a very strong person. You come and take your reward. A man enters with a silver tray full of coins. As Akbar is going to give the coins to the washerman, Courtier, Your Majesty, this man does not deserve the reward. Now at that time when this Akbar was going to give a reward to that washerman, a man came there with a silver tray which was full of coins. And then as Akbar was going to give that tray full of coins to the washerman, one of the courtiers stood up and he told Akbar, Your Majesty, this washerman does not deserve the reward. Move on to the next page number 66, children. For the water was not really cold. You see, the lights from your palace kept it warm. Then that courtier told Akbar, the water of the river was not really cold because the lights from the palace kept that water warm. Akbar, thoughtfully, you do have a point. Well, if that is so, then there is no question of a reward. Then Akbar, after thinking for some time, he told that courtier, yes, you are right. This man really doesn't deserve any reward because the lights of the palace kept the water warm. The washerman goes away sadly with his family. After hearing this from Akbar, the washerman and his family became very sad and they went away from there. The jealous courtier smiles wickedly. Birbal looks very upset and angry. Then the jealous courtier, the courtier who was jealous of that washerman who has passed the test, he was feeling jealous. That's why he did so. So after that, when this Akbar gave the judgment that he doesn't deserve any reward, then the courtier started smiling very wickedly. Wickedly means his behavior was not good at that time. Cunningly he gave a smile, and at that time Birbal got very upset for what this Akbar has done to the washerman, and Birbal got angry also at that time. So children, remaining part of the lesson I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.